A fantastic review left by Marion for ADI leak detection. Having phoned ADI regarding our leak problem, an appointment was quickly made, and Mark Pavitt came to carry out a trace and access test. The source of the leak was diagnosed, and a timely booking arranged for the repair which suited us. Mark Pavitt and his colleague, Krystof, came to carry out the repair which they managed to do in 2 days, instead of the 3 days which had been allocated. These two people worked so hard and efficiently to repair our leak that we couldn't thank them enough. Krystof even worked out a new route for the piping so that we didn't have to take up tiles from our newly laid hallway floor, which was amazing. Mark and Krystof are a credit to their company, and we would definitely recommend ADI leak solutions to anyone. Thank you, Hassen Marion Oomar. For leak detection anywhere in the UK, call ADI Leak Detection on 0800 731 3843.